Okay, so today we're talking about internet. Internet on the road, that is. And the options you have for said internet. You used to have one choice for internet, and that was buying a hotspot. Or using a hotspot on your phone. Hotspots is what I'm talking about. But by the grace of God, we got Elon Musk, who brought to you this amazing product called Starlink. But is it actually good Wi-Fi? That's what we're going to talk about today. So is Starlink actually good internet? So the short answer is, it's the best internet we can get. It is satellite internet we can get anywhere on the globe. You're in the middle of the ocean with nothing around, no towers or nothing, put this bad boy in front of your boat, you'll be good to go. But the speed is not that fast. You can see a clip right now. This was a 30-minute gameplay of me playing Minecraft on a server, and in those 30 minutes I did get kicked out 3 times. But I only got kicked out when I was streaming YouTube and doing Minecraft at the same time. When I was just playing Minecraft solo alone with no internet or no YouTube in the background as well, I didn't get kicked out at all. So it was super good. So the short answer is yes, it works pretty well. The speeds are not that fast. Now in the position it is at my house, as you can see right now, it is not the best position. There's obstructions. So in the app, it is super easy to use. Cosmo! So in the app, it is super easy to use. All you do is you open the app up. Once you get everything set up, that's like a step-by-step tutorial on the app. You just follow the directions, super easy peasy. Once that's done, then you can hit the view button and you get to see how good the internet is in its current position. Ours is not the best. The app actually suggests us that we should move it somewhere else, but we can't at our current house. And the Starlink that we have is not for home internet. The Starlink we have is for RVs, van life, what we'll be doing on this channel. Now we did get Starlink early because our internet at home is not the best. So that's why we got Starlink this early, and that's why it's this current video. So I wanted to talk about the good things about Starlink real quick. It is amazing. It is really good at weather resistance. All kinds of weather resistance. So it is heavy rain proof. It is heavy wind proof. It is hail proof. And even when it snows and snow gets on top of it, because you know it's a satellite dish and it has to be able to see the atmosphere, the frickin' sky, it'll melt the snow too. It's super awesome, super handy, super weather resilient. You can keep it outside all night, keep it outside all day. Since we've had it about a week. We haven't brought it in one time. And it has rained. It's rained pretty good. It's gonna rain today in a little bit, as a matter of fact. Now, how do you set it up? All you do is you go out, you put the little satellite disc where you want to put it, you get the cord attached to the disc, you string it inside, you plug it in to the router, and then the router gets plugged into AC power. It's that simple. As far as user-friendly goes, it is super awesome. Elon Musk did an amazing job of making it super user-friendly. It's basically plug and play, which is great when you have to pack it up and move to a different location. You just set it out, plug in your router, and that's it. We have been working on this internet for a while, like actually working, and we've been able to upload our videos just fine, able to download our videos just fine. Tonight, we're gonna see how well it does uploading this video. It's not a long video as you see, because we're just talking about Starlink today. I think it's an amazing choice. So now the price range after tax and shipping and handling, it was like right at $700. That's to get it here. So we paid $700 and then it's $135 every month to keep your internet service in play. For the price range, I would expect it to be a little bit better, but there is one big component. Starlink is brand new. This RV system came out like less than 6 months ago, or maybe about 6 months ago. It is super brand new. You can kind of think of it as like the beta testing stage. Elon Musk has been talking about releasing new satellites all the time to improve the internet. In the coming months, I assume the internet will be getting better, which is amazing because it's already so good for what it does. You can plug it up, put it anywhere you want, and it just gives you internet. In conclusion today, yes, Starlink is great internet. It is not the fastest internet, but if you work on the internet at all and you live in your van or an RV or a bus or any other cool shazzy things that the kids are doing nowadays, you'll be awesome. You need to get Starlink. It is so much better than a hotspot. It is so much better than our phone. It is consistent Wi-Fi. It doesn't drop out. I highly suggest it to anybody that works and lives and travels. And if you game like I'm going to be in your van, Starlink is going to be your bread and butter. But if you need super fast Wi-Fi, maybe a hotspot and staying in town might be better for you. But if you're out in the national forest, you got a little clearing going on, set that bad boy up, you're going to be able to watch Netflix all night, baby. So with that being said, I am going to wrap today's video up. It was a super quick video today because all we're doing is talking about some fancy dancy internet stuff. Remember, you guys cannot buy love, but you can always adopt it. Go down to the description. There's all kinds of links. Like always, in my Swivel Shop affiliate link will be down below, and our Instagram links will be down below, including Sidney and Cosmo's Instagram links. And I'll catch you guys in the next video, which will be our windows. We have already placed our order on our windows. They will be coming in very shortly, and we'll be installing one of them. Solar panels will be coming after that because it's going to be kind of expensive. So we're doing this first because we had a couple bills to pay last week and this week. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.